What's up, guys? This is Nicky from Moto Delivered, and we are back once again to show you the latest February delivery. Now, we got a lot of great stuff in here to go over, so let's jump right into it. All right, so let's take a peek inside. All right, first and foremost, really nice, kind of like a hard plastic, but definitely a durable coffee mug from Fasthouse. Definitely like a sleek, simple design, kind of classic look that Fasthouse is known for. It's actually got a pretty nice, like, insulated cap to it. So although it looks like a normal run-of-the-mill kind of Starbucks cup, this thing seems pretty durable. Should last a good long time. So first and foremost. Second, we've got a Moto Delivered sticker, you know, just in case you want to slap something on your laptop, your desk, whatever you got. Nice little sticker there for you. Oh boy. All right, next up is the 3-brush set from Mukoff. We've got 3 different brushes in here. Each one of them is going to work differently. So first one on the list, we've got the soft washing brush. This is going to be kind of an all-arounder. Once you've knocked all of the heavy stuff off, this thing is going to be getting into those nooks and crannies of your engine, inside the spokes, anything that soft dirt could get stuck inside or is staying there. So that first brush is going to be great for those purposes. Second brush we've got here is going to be the detailing brush. This has a lot harder bristles, a lot more stiff bristles. So this is going to break down the mud, the hardened dirt, you know, the stuff that's just a total pain in the butt to get off of your bike. And then the third one is going to be the claw brush. This one is actually really cool for getting into the chain, your drive line on your bike, you know, sprockets, things like that. Actually has teeth that are built into it to kind of get into those areas. So that's going to be the third brush in here. All of these are useful in their own way. Definitely a good thing to have during the winter months when mud is getting caked on your bike. Maybe it's a week before you get to it. A lot of that stuff's gonna be hard to break down. So you wanna have good brushes, and Mukoff makes some great stuff. So you can also check out our online store. We've got a pretty full range of Mukoff products. We stand behind their stuff 1000%. So there's that. And then last but not least, we've got this killer Fasthouse t-shirt. This says the FH on the front with a little lightning bolt on the back here, which is pretty cool when they've got the back design. Kind of got a jersey feel to it. So, and if you're familiar with Fasthouse stuff, always super quality. So it's got a nice feel to it. I believe it's some sort of cotton blend. Their shirts don't really shrink much. You know, it's not that cheapo shirt that when you wear it one time and then you wash it and it's like, it goes from an XL to like a super small. So yeah, a great shirt. We've got about 5 different designs that we featured in the boxes. So if yours didn't look like this, we kind of keep it fresh for everybody and put different styles in there. So that wraps up this month's box. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take a look at the rest of our videos on our YouTube channel. We do product breakdowns, monthly unboxings such as this, and we've even got some cool original content with riders. So check that out. Subscribe to our channel. Also check out our Instagram if you want to see what's going on with the company and our monthly deliveries. But until next time, we'll see you guys later.